White Karahi is a delicious, creamy Pakistani and North Indian dish made with chicken, yogurt, and aromatic spices. Here's a simple and authentic chicken
K2
White
and the
Karahi
majestic
recipe.
Gilgit Mountains.
Ingredients:
A journey
for
through
cooking
the
chicken,
Karakoram.
1/2 cup
Description:
oil or ghee,
This breathtaking
1 kilogram
documentary
chicken cut into
explores
pieces,
K2,
1
the
tablespoon
world's
ginger
second
garlic
highest
paste,
peak, and
4
the
or 5
stunning
green chilies chopped,
Gilgit-Baltistan region
1
of
cup yogurt
Pakistan.
whisked,
Nestled in
1/2
the
cup fresh
Karakoram
cream,
range,
1
Gilgit
teaspoon white
is
pepper
home to some
powder,
of the most
1/2
dangerous yet
teaspoon black pepper
mesmerizing
powder,
mountains,
1
including
teaspoon salt
K2,
adjust to
Nanga
taste,
Parbat, and
1/2
Broad
teaspoon
Peak.
garam
Through
masala,
aerial footage,
1 tablespoon
climber
lemon
interviews,
juice.
and
For
historical
garnishing,
insight,
2
this film
tablespoons
delves
fresh
into the
coriander
challenges
chopped,
of summiting
2 green
K2,
chilies
the
julienne,
rich culture
1
of
tablespoon ginger julienne.
Gilgit-Baltistan's people.
Instructions: 1. Heat oil in a wok karahi over medium heat. Add chicken and sauté for 5-7 minutes until it changes color. 2. Add ginger garlic paste and chopped green chilies. Fry until the raw smell disappears. 3. Add whisked yogurt and mix well. Cover and cook on low heat for 10-15 minutes, stirring occasionally. 4. Once the chicken is tender, add white pepper, black pepper, salt, and garam masala. Stir well. 5. Pour in fresh cream and mix thoroughly. Cook for another 3-4 minutes until the gravy thickens. 6. Add lemon juice and give it a final mix. 7. Garnish with fresh coriander, ginger, and green chilies. Serving suggestion: serve hot with naan, roti, or steamed rice. Enjoy your delicious white chicken karahi. Let me know if you want a mutton or paneer variation.